This is JakeOfALL. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, I think we got a call on the alternate pit crew.
Really? Okay. Let me get her. Hold on. We'll be there as quick as possible. Hey.
What?
Guess what?
What?
We gotta get suited up.
Suited up for what?
They need the pit crew.
The pit crew.
Come on, they need the pit crew. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on.
I'm coming.
Come on. Why are you taking so long?
I gotta dress on.
What are you guys doing? I said call in the alternate pit crew. I just need air in the tires. Get out of those get-ups. Oh. Let's go. What's going on? JakeOfALL here. So I hope you like that. I have to always have an entertaining intro. So there it is. Count one. In the comments, how many times I say that word. All right, the M12 inflator. It's an inflator. It is not an air compressor. I've had this for over a year now, and I love it, and always use it with an extended battery, especially for the cars that I have, unless I'm doing like a football. Other than the battery, which there's no problem with the battery, but changing the battery, there's one fatal, maybe fatal is a little exaggeration, there's one flaw to this, okay? It works great. It does take a while. When we were in the sand dunes and we had to air our tires down and then go back up to be able to go from 20 PSI back up to 44, it did take forever. But this little guy here, putting this on your valve stems and taking it off and putting it on, it just takes forever. And I know it just takes forever. It's so terrible. But I can show you something that's gonna fix this in seconds, okay? And it's gonna make it so much easier. And there's a problem, especially when you're thinking about these. You set your pressure, you go from one tire to another. By the time you get to the next tire, your screen might turn off. So this tool, Upgrade, is a cheap little Amazon part that we're gonna thread onto the end, and we're gonna then have a quick chuck for our inflator. So let's go ahead and head over there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here I'm gonna attach my stem the old fashioned way. I'm gonna turn it on and I've gotta come over here and see, it just takes forever, right? I gotta get it to 44. Okay, and then I hit start. was about, we started out on Sunday and today's Monday, so about a day. So one of the problems that I've noticed, right, I fill it up and I'll come over here, I'll unscrew this, and I'll put the valve cap on, and I'll come over here and I'll unscrew the valve cap. And by the time I go to put this on, this thing is timed out, turned off, and then I have to reset the pressure. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna put this one on. So now it's on. Now it's quick release. It's on. All right, so that was much better, partially because I didn't need as much, and now all I have to do is pop it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side a lot quicker. That is so much nicer. Honestly, I love it. And we're at 2 out of 4 bars. Compressor's hot. Hose is warm, but that's what, you know, pressurized air will do. I'm definitely gonna keep that on. I would say that it's not, I mean, for like $5 to $10, it's not a bank breaker, right? And the pump works great generally without it. But why not spend a couple bucks to make it just easier to use? And if you only use it for tires, it's definitely easy. In fact, one of the things I did notice is that if you want to switch the other accessories onto it, you still can. So you don't make it impossible to where you can't use those. In fact, you make it easier. So now all of the fittings are quick release and you can get it on and off your tires quicker. I appreciate you guys all watching this one. I hope this little tip helps you out. I hope you want one of these, because I do. I'll put a link in the description and all that fun stuff. And guess it's time to pack out. Thanks for watching, and make sure you guys, you know, click there and click there and click there and subscribe and hit the bell and all that fun stuff. Ring the bell. Thanks to my wife for also making that stupid intro video. I hope you guys like that. See ya. What in the... What are you doing?
I wanted to see how many Ugga Duggas it took.
Oh my gosh, get inside. Good Lord.